Okay guys, in this lesson we'll pass mouse click, also mouse click, also functions. Mouse guys, this is mouse, this right button, middle button, left button, I'm sorry, this one is left button, middle, this scroller is middle, also when we press it's pressing, then right button. Okay guys, let us create three functions for these three buttons of the mouse. We have right. Okay, we'll use event. Right button. Okay, let us change middle. So guys, now we must create frame. Frame is equal to frame root guys, I'm sorry. Root is equal to then here will be root. Then guys, in this lesson we'll create width and height. Okay, let be width is equal to 300 and height here is incorrect. Height is equal to 200. Okay guys, here we use an event, that's why we'll bind frame that bind button. And here we must pack. Okay, let us change button 2, button 3. Okay, our code is ready, so let us run. Okay guys, as you see, our frame is ready. Created, our width is 300 pixels and height is 200 pixels. So now let me show this project. Okay guys, when I press left button of the mouse, here's some mistake, here must be left. Okay, when I press middle scroller, it shows middle button, middle, Then when I press right, it is left. Okay, let us change button 1. You must be left, and here right. So let us run. Okay, let me show you console. So I'm pressing left button, it shows left button, middle, right, right, middle, left, 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 right, 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 right. Oh, it's working. So that is all. Goodbye.